When I came to Iceland, I wasn't a filmmaker. I was just curious, unsure of what I was looking for. But something inside me told me this was the start of something different. I joined a group of creators, people who, like me, want to learn how to tell stories through light and sound. We were strangers at first, but we all shared that same spark.
Cuidado, Edgar, porque lo que se viene es épico. Lo que se viene es épico.
I used to think filmmaking was about capturing what I saw. But I learned it's about feeling it first, about slowing down, observing, and letting the story come to you. Somewhere between the wind, the rain, and silence, I found something I wasn't expecting. Connection. With nature, with others, with myself. For years, I captured moments through photography. But this trip changed something inside me. I realized I don't just want to take pictures. I want to tell stories. It wasn't just a trip. It was the beginning of a new chapter, where I finally saw the world through a filmmaker's eyes.